Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Stehr from the University of Concepción in Chile. Our research, as you can see, explore how wildfires affect the water balance in mountain catchments in South America using the SWOT model. Wildfires are a global and catastrophic phenomenon generating severe impacts on soil properties, and their frequency is increasing dramatically during the last years. And how I was saying, fire strongly modifies soil properties, infiltration, runoff, and also groundwater research. While the hydrological effects of wildfire are well documented in the United States and Europe and other parts of the world, in Chile we have not so much information about that. That's why understanding the post-fire hydrological effects is essential for water management and for designing recovery strategies. That's why we focus here in a basin that is the Kepi River watershed, that is located in the Andes mountain range, and we have used the SWOT, a calibrated SWOT model, to assess how wildfire impact the water balance. We have simulated wildfire scenarios that was happened in 2017, and we have get for that what we have found, that our results shows that there is that the evaporation decreased about a 30%, percolation and groundwater contribution dropped between 20 and 25%, while surface runoff has increased. Here you can see all the results. These changes were most pronounced in sub-catchments where pine and pastures were burned. Overall post-fire conditions were dominated by rapid runoff and reduced infiltration, indicating a loss of the watershed natural buffering capacity. That is what we can see in these images, and also here. These findings highlight the need for an adaptive post-fire management, such as reforestation, mulching, and soil stabilization measures to reduce runoff and restore infiltration. As wildfires have become more frequently under climate change, modeling tools like SWOT and other models are very important for evaluating management scenarios and protecting water resources after wildfires in the Andes and other regions worldwide. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the poster and your discussion at IAHS 2025.